Before we start this video, I would like to let you know that I have returned this product since I was having issues with it. The issue was that the mouse was stuttering and had inconsistent tracking when trying to do a 360 turn. Let's say you're in a game and trying to turn, it will actually pause for half a millisecond or so, and then it will resume back and start tracking for some reason. I did try to do a firmware upgrade. Apparently there was none available because the software has to ask you to actually upgrade the firmware. You can't do it manually. So if the software doesn't ask you, then I'm guessing it has the latest firmware. But I tried the wireless and the wired mode. I tried to play with the settings and all that. But yeah, it did not work out for me. So I ended up returning the product. But enjoy the rest of the video, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe for more upcoming videos. Welcome everybody. Today we'll be unboxing the ROG Spatha wireless and wired gaming mouse. This mouse is made out of magnesium alloy chassis and it has 6 buttons. So let's actually switch back here, and then as you can see, it's made out of magnesium alloy chassis. It has 6 tactical thumb buttons on the side, and it supports up to 82,000 DPI, and it uses a laser sensor, which is great. And it also has a 2-level DPI switch, so we'll see how that one works. Maybe you can program it to be able to do more, but we'll see. It also has a built-in flash memory, so probably it will save the changes or macros you do. And it also has a LED battery indicator and a magnetic charging cable or station. So if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to support this channel and to keep updated with the latest videos as they are posted. Let's get started and unbox it. So here's the back. This is the side. Here's the other side. So let's open it up. Ooh, it's a big box. Here, we'll put that to the side here. And right here it says, welcome to the elite Republic of Gamers community. Your ROG Spatha mouse is engineered and tested for gaming perfection. It's time to experience gaming mastery on another level. Game on. That's pretty cool. And then looks like this right here is the manual. So let's open this up. Nope. Rip that one. So it looks like a manual with different languages here. Just goes over the mouse settings and information. Pretty cool. And then let's take this out. Here comes the mouse. So mouse is sitting right there. Let's take it out. Here is the bottom piece of the mouse. Looks like there's some filter on here. Yeah, we'll have to take this out later on once we get it all hooked up. And then there looks like a pair button and a power button. That's great. There are no buttons on the right side of the mouse. Looks like there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 buttons on the left side. And this right here is like a grip. Overall, the mouse is actually not that heavy. I thought it would be a little bit heavier, and it does fit my hands pretty good. Especially I got big hands, so this will work out pretty awesome. And then here is the front of the mouse. Looks like you can plug in a USB right in here. Let me see if I can shine some light on it. So the USB will plug in there. It's kind of hard to see probably, but it's all the way in there. And then actually looking right here, there is a button right here. And then actually looking on the right side, looks like there is a button right here. Nope, no. I thought this is a button, but right here there's two buttons actually. So up here looks like there are two buttons that you can use as well. Yup. So that's pretty cool. We'll have to see if we can program those as well. We should be able to. Great. And then let's see what else is in the box here. We'll leave that to the side. Oh, looks like there's a case in there. And that's pretty much it for the box. Here is the case it comes with. It says Republic of Gamers. Pretty sturdy case. Probably this is great if you're traveling. So let's open it up and see what's in here. Oh, up here looks like this is some kind of tool to unscrew your mouse if you need to. And then here we have the docking station. So this is where your mouse will sit to get charged. Looks like it will not use a battery. It's already built in the mouse, so that's great. And then the plug will actually, I know it's kind of hard to see, but the plug will be in here. Let me see if I can shine some light on it. Yep, there we go. So that's cool. Let's see, how does this mouse sit on there? Ooh, very nice. And the magnet on there is actually pretty strong, so that is great. Let's put this to the side. We'll see what else is in here. We have a USB cable, a mini one. So here's one of the cables. And then this is just our traditional USB. And then looks like there is more stuff in here. This is actually a pretty heavy stand right here, so. And then over here looks like this is a stand, which is gonna be great for putting it on this mount. We'll have to play with it. It probably sits down like this on it, like that. But we'll figure it out once we get it all hooked up. So stay tuned to the end of the video. And then this is another USB cable. We'll see why there's two of them. Probably one to be plugged in the mouse, and then the other one is for the charger, the stand itself. And then this is some kind of switches, so I'm guessing if your click button goes bad, you can actually swap them out yourselves right here. So that's neat. And then it also comes with two stickers. And then it comes with two stickers. Seems pretty cool. And looks like that's pretty much it. So let's go ahead and get this mouse plugged in to the computer and see how it performs. Stay tuned. Alright, so we have our stand right here. We already plugged in a USB to the computer, so we now need to hook up the charging station. So it looks like this stand will actually mount to this piece right here, which is the charging station. So here on the back, we just need to align these teeth right here to the back right here. So we need to align it to this right here. So let's go ahead and do that. I wonder if it's gonna click in. So that's how it goes. Actually, you know what? It might be a good idea to put the cable in first. Yeah, it looks like it's not gonna fit through, so let's put the cable in first. Okay, so we got the cable right here. We'll plug it in to the back piece. I think this is right, like this. Nope. Maybe this way. It actually, the cable would not go through. Alright, here we go. Looks like we can push it in right now. Yeah, so there we go. The USB is in place, and the cable is gonna be going down right here. And then now we just need to put the mount on, like so. I wonder if it's gonna click. Nope, it doesn't click. So it looks like it's on there, no issues. Yep, I can't take it off, but I wonder. So it's pretty much gonna sit down like this. Alright, so once you have the charging station and the mount put together, next step will be taking off this cover on the mouse, this piece right here, to just peel it off like that, and then the mouse will sit on the charging station like so. So here is the stand on the charging station. This is from the side. Looks like it's already charging or something. Yep. So it's lighting up because it's charging probably. Oh, it slid down. There we go. I'm actually surprised that the mouse is not that heavy either. Here is the side. So pretty cool. Next step will be turning on the computer and then trying to pair it with the charging station. So there is a button right here. I'm not sure if you can see it. This button right here, it will actually, it says pair on it, so we need to pair it with the charging station. I know it's kind of dark, but hopefully you guys can see that. So yeah, let's go to the next part. Okay, so we have our charging station set up, and then our mouse is right here. So what we need to do next is try to pair it. So what we need to do is, apparently there's a button here. I'm guessing this is it. Yep, so I click the button up here, right here, and then the bottom right here started blinking green. And then what we will do is go ahead and press the pair button. Oh, looks like it went off. So we'll click that again on the back piece. We'll go ahead and click it. There we go. It's blinking green. And then here on the mouse, we'll say power. So we'll switch this over. So now the button is showing this green strip right there, and then we'll press the pair button. See, it says it's the charging station is showing red. So here, let's press the button again. It's showing green, and then we'll press the mouse on the pair button on the mouse. Pressed it once, and yeah, it worked. So the mouse actually turns green once you have successfully paired the device with the charging station. And now I'm able to move it around, no issues on my desktop. So we'll be testing that out and see how it performs. Most likely we'll be playing some MMOs like Guild Wars 2 or maybe some shooters. So we shall see how it performs. Especially I'm gonna be playing some Fortnite with it. I was looking for a new mouse to like a better mouse than what I had, pretty much, because the one I had is not, well, I mean, it's good, but needed something a little bit better for my hands, because I do have pretty big hands, and sometimes it's just hard to get a grip on some of the mouse. So if you take a look here, this is so as you can see, the mouse is just sitting, and then here's my hand. It actually feels pretty fluid, and it fits my hands pretty nice. Let me try to get a better angle. Yep, so overall pretty cool. The mouse is good. My two fingers can actually sit on the buttons right here, no issues. And then there are some buttons right there, so those will actually need to be configured to do different functions. And I think this button right here up on top, this one will change the DPI settings, so we'll play with that as well. And then this is like forward and back buttons, but we'll probably change those for gaming. Yeah, so if you have enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more upcoming videos. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below, and I'll try to answer them as soon as I can.